let's say that you guys take out a loan to purchase something like a car. You're halfway through paying back the loan with interest and you win the lottery. Immediately you'll go to the bank and finish paying off that car. When you do that, you will save money because you don't have to pay the interest that they were going to charge you on the rest of the loan. And that's called unearned interest. So that unearned interest gets returned to you essentially. There's two ways to calculate how much money in unearned interest that you'll save when you pay off your loan early. The first method is called the actuarial method. We need some data and then throw it into some formulas here. So R is the regular monthly payment. K is the remaining number of scheduled payments after that current monthly payment is paid. So this is the remaining scheduled payments. And H is the finance charge per $100. We have to look that up in the chart. The unearned interest using the actuarial methods formula is, you take all those variables that we just determined up above and you divide it by this. That U value is the unearned interest. That's the interest that you don't have to pay because you're paying the entire loan off a little bit early. So to find out what that payoff amount would be to close your account and finish paying off that loan, if the original loan had K additional payments scheduled after the current one, and the unearned interest is U, then the payoff amount is going to be the scheduled payments plus the additional one for that current month times the number of payments that you would make minus that unearned interest. So that is your savings. This number in unearned interest is how much you will save by paying off your car early. Another thing that you would pay off early is maybe your home. Or maybe you would make payments bigger than what you do need to owe to the bank, and they take off months at the end of your payments. Here we go with example number 19. Hopefully you'll be able to figure this out after we go through this example. A loan with regular monthly payments of $346.70 was paid in full before its due date. The loan had an annual percentage rate of 11%, and there were 18 remaining scheduled payments after the payoff. Use the table to find the value for H, then find the amount of unearned interest, that's the interest that they don't have to pay, and then the final payoff amount to make that happen. Let's take inventory of what we have. We have 18 remaining scheduled payments, so K is 18. The amount that I pay per month is R. We need to look up our missing H. We're trying to use that formula from the previous page, which takes K times R times H and divides it by 100 plus H. If we had all of these variables, we could figure out how much money we're going to save by paying off early. Let's start filling this in. We need to find H. To find H, it's based on two things: the number of months that are left and the annual percentage rate. Usually we're given age and we have to find that annual percentage rate. So if you flip to the beginning of this section, we have an 11.0 annual percentage rate. We're left with 18 months on the loan, and we're reverse looking the stuff up into the body of this table. H is the body of the table, or 8.93. If this doesn't make sense, make sure you shoot me an email and I'll try to help you through it. So 8.93 is what our H is. It goes in two locations of our actuarial method formula. Plug that into your calculator carefully. Make sure that you encapsulate this in parentheses, perhaps, or you can do that computation in your head. That's how much this person is going to save in interest when they pay it off early. So what's the payoff amount? The payoff is the amount that they did owe minus the savings. So the payoff in this case is they needed to make 18 monthly payments plus the current payment that they were going to pay off times the regular monthly payment amount minus the savings. That's this formula right here for the payoff. When you plug this stuff in your calculator, you can do this computation in your head, or don't forget your parentheses. The payoff amount, a one-time payment to finish the life of this loan, for $6,075.70. I hope that makes sense, everybody. Stay healthy.